Morning class, how's everyone doing today?
Good.
Good. If you missed last class, my name is Mr. West, and today we're going to be starting a unit on basketball. Now, how many of you have played basketball? Raise your hand. Okay, so everyone's played basketball. Now, when you play basketball, how many of you have ever gotten the ball stolen from you? We've all had balls stolen from us. Today, I'm going to teach you a few drills to prevent that from happening. So before we get started, can everyone go grab a basketball and meet me back on this green line? Since we've all played basketball before, we all know how to dribble, correct? Correct? Good. All right. So you dribble with a push, not a slap. Okay. Now that that's taken care of, the first drill that we want to do to prevent the ball from being stolen, all has to do with stance. So you want a nice, low stance, leaning slightly forward, knees bent. Okay, that's the first thing. The point of having the ball low, it makes it harder for the defender to get the ball because they also have to go low to get it. If you're standing up tall like this and dribble like this, the ball's way up here, so it makes it a lot easier for the defender to grab the ball. The second thing is, when you're in your low stance, with your free hand, you want to shield the ball. So acts like a shield, it makes it harder for the defender to see the ball and to reach in. So I'll demonstrate that for you. Low stance, your hands out, shielding the ball. Okay. Keep going. Good job. Can everyone stop and watch Andy? See how he has a nice low stance and his arm is out, shielding the ball? Okay, now let's switch to the other hand. Good job, good job. Hold the balls, please. Okay, next thing you want to do with your low stance and your shield. Andy, if you can come up and help me demonstrate. Stand on the right side here. Now, the third thing is, when you're dribbling, you always want the ball to be on the opposite side of the defender. So since he's on my right side, I want to dribble with my left hand. My right hand is going to act as the shield. If he comes over to my left side, I'm going to switch it over to my right hand, and my left hand is going to be the shield. Now obviously, he's not going to always be on my left and right side. So if he's right in front of me, what you want to do is turn your body so the ball is opposite of the defender at all times. Everyone understand? Okay, last thing we're going to do to wrap everything up, we're going to play a little game. The object of the game is to prevent the other defenders from stealing or knocking the ball away from you. The boundaries are going to be this black line, the second black line over there, and the black lines here. So what you want to do is dribble around and make sure you want to knock the balls out of the other player's hands. And if your ball is knocked out, just go to the outside of the boundary. Last person with the ball wins. Go ahead. Make sure you have a nice full stance. Make sure your shields are up. Okay guys, bring it in. Hold your balls. Bring it in, please. Hustle. Alright guys, good job today. What's the first thing you want to do to prevent the ball from being stolen? Low. Kevin. Get low. Get low. Number 2. Greg. Shield. Number 3. Kayla. Be on the opposite side. Good job today, guys. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.